bladder. Well, your bladder's here, so it kind of acts like a magnifying glass for the baby. It's very nice.
Excellent.
The baby, you can see an eyeball there, this round white circle there. Whoa. Kind of having to follow it around. It's moving a little bit. Moving a lot.
It's a lot bigger from last time.
Mm-hmm.
If she gets in your way, just let her know.
Oh, no, you're fine. Cute little nose. Mm-hmm. This is cord. And see if I can get him between the legs again. I'm going to try not to do that, so I'm going to bring it way up. Yep. And we're still there. Penis.
Where?
Just to see if I can get a better shot of it. It's right here. There you go. That is a major penis. That's like another leg.
Can you take a picture of that? That'd be a good one. It is a boy, Cody.
Yeah. Very proud boy. Well, I guess we definitely know it's a boy. Yeah, there's no question about that. Girl, you can't confuse a girl with that.